4 B.Tech programs, 1 outcome, sheer excellence. Placement stats reaching 82 lakhs per annum highest and 18 lakhs per annum average. To ensure that the best minds can access this opportunity, we offer 100% fee waiver scholarship for JEE rankers getting rank under 5,000. 100% fee waiver scholarship for women candidates getting JEE rank under 10,000. Additional scholarship for out-of-state, board toppers, and many more scholarships available for deserving students. From software engineering to circuit design, students work hands-on in computational systems, electronics, mathematics, and communication technology. Internships are part of the academic structure, industrial, research, or rural, designed to widen perspective through experience. Every student undertakes a semester-long project, rooted in creativity and guided by the best of faculty. Accredited with NAAC A+, marked as a Center of Excellence by the Government of Gujarat and rated 5 stars by GSIRF. These aren't highlights, they're part of the foundation. DAU, a culture of doers, dreamers, and dream achievers, where learning meets life and passion meets purpose. Admissions are open. Apply today.